If you've ever had a PDF document that's really big and you wanted to just take out individual chunks of it or just a section of it and make it its own document, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. I've got the Digital Performer 11 manual, the program that I use for my music making, and let's say I happen to know that the step record chapter starts on page 281, so I just put that in there. On the left side here, you've got these thumbnails. If that's not open, this little slider box here, it might look like that. Just click on that and go to thumbnails, and that reveals them. So you see 281 is selected. That's where I am. And if I scroll down, I want to grab this whole chapter. I want to take this chapter out and make it its own document. So you can see that right here on 297 starts the next chapter. So I'm going to hold Shift and select down to 296. That's the whole chapter, chapter 28 for step record. And then all I'm going to do is Command C to copy. And then if you look here under the File menu, Command N is new from clipboard. So I hit that, and voila, there I have the entire chapter by itself. Now I can just save that and save it to my desktop. I'm going to call it chapter 28 step record. I closed everything, and now if I double click on this, you see that that's all it is. It's just that one chapter. So this is extremely handy if you wanted to, again, extract chapters from a book to isolate study to print or whatever. But also if you just wanted individual sheets, maybe you're a teacher and you want to give out a specific page for reference or whatever, this is the solution. A couple other things while we're looking at this, let me show you. So this is the complete manual again. And you'll notice I've got this page here of this licensing information. I don't need that, so I'm just going to hit delete, and it's gone. Like magic. Like magic. So on the last page here, we've got this here, this empty page. I can just delete that. And I hit save, and those pages are gone. And that's just natively in preview. Another thing that you can do with a PDF document in Pages, it'll work with this thumbnail, but it looks a little easier to see if we hit contact sheet. So I'm going to hit this contact sheet. And if you ever need to simply rearrange something, let's say for whatever reason I wanted this page to be here, you just click and drag. So now if you look, my page 2 is actually this, what was page 10. Something to be aware of with PDFs in preview as well is the page numbers don't always correspond exactly. Like this page 224, you can see is actually 223 here. It's fairly good about it overall, but you may have to scroll back and forth a little bit to get it. So anyway, that's how to separate out pieces of a PDF document into smaller chunks. I hope it's helpful.